What is going on, everyone? Today I am playing some more Among Us. Currently I am a crewmate. Oh wow, I got the medbay scan. Alright, I want people to be in medbay. But... oh, it's purple. Perp just stood there. It's purple, guys. Guys, it's purple. I saw it. It's purple. Ugh. Why can't I can't vote? Oh my god. What? I'm not voting myself. Okay, I didn't want to vote myself. Okay. I promise it. Oh gosh. Okay, nope, it's white. It's white too. It's white. It's also white. I'm out of here. Goodbye. I want to do that admin. Alright, don't have any tasks down there. Don't have a task around here. Anything in electrical I have to do? Oh yeah, there's some things I have to do. Alright, we got the wires. Wires are kind of annoying on computer for me. And then like that. Just like that. Download. Alright. So far so good. We're doing pretty well actually. As long as we don't die, that's it. We're good. Okay, we got the white throw in here. Oh, we got Doug on cams. Nice. Oh, I got this. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Alright, let's get out. There's a body in there. I prefer that to... oh, wait, what? They're okay. Okay, that guy could have killed him, but he didn't. Odd. Alright. Alright, let's see. Alright, we got ice. Oh no, it's ice, guys. Guys, it's ice. I told you earlier that I'm obsessed with ice. Not just in the scan. Boom. There. I'm not it. Oh, that scared me. That scared me. Oh, okay. I'm doing a different game. That scared me real bad. Refresh. What? Okay. That didn't work. Didn't work. Okay, here we go. Alright, I found one. Okay. We're pretty slow. Doesn't really matter. There we go. Please, no, please, imposter. I want to be imposter. Alright, oh, we are fast. Dude, these people got here like in 10 seconds. Come on. Oh my gosh! Seriously? That really? Ah! I'm very mad. First try. All right, let's see what they say. Okay. Where? Yellow. Wait, who killed me again? Who killed me? I don't remember. I think it was purple that killed me. I don't remember who killed me. Orange. Salu. There we go. There we go. It's not orange, guys. You'll see, it's not orange. Gosh, these people don't think. It's not him. Alright. Okay, it was like blue, dude. Some guy. Customize. I want red. My hat. Santa Claus. My skin. It's like, no. Okay. That was quite dumb. Why? Why is there always there's a jelly in here? That's quite confusing. I know how to thing there. Alright, let's see the security. Oh! Already the oxygen. Fine. Here we go. Let's do this. So we got 8, 3, 5. We're gonna die in 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Oh! Okay, okay. Everyone's leaving this game. I killed. Where? You killed? You killed? I scanned. Red sus. Last game. Oh, okay. Yellow killed an admin. You sure? You sure? Okay. They're saying it's alright. Alright. They think it's cheese dude here. So we're gonna vote cheese. Oh my. Hey, what'd I do? I didn't do nothing. What'd I do? Oh, 2 imposters. Okay, good. I'm not one of them. I'm not one of them. Alright, let's just go. Okay, yep, it's this guy. Oh, it's red sus. Bye, 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 bye. Oh, really? The lights. Okay, now it's scary. I'm scared. I'm scary. I'm scared. Okay, lights are on. Good. Oh, that scared me so bad. There, he reported my body, boys. Line vented. Trust me. Dude, you literally killed me. Wait, what? Was he the one that killed me? Yeah, he's the one that killed me, dude. Why me? Dude, you know. Okay. It's Lime. Okay, Lime's the second imposter. Again, there is 3 imposters. We're playing with 3 imposters that are among us, guys. See? You got an imposter voted out. 1 imposter remains. I hate it. Really? Okay, I got this task. Ugh, fine. Alright, let's just go fix the oxygen. Okay, I can't fix the oxygen. That's quite annoying. Alright, oxygen's fixed. I still gotta do that card swipe. First try! Usually that card is so annoying for other dudes and people like that, you know. Wait. Oh, we got red sus here. The oxygen again! My goodness. Dude. Where are all my tasks? Oh, this task is very annoying. No! I messed that up. Okay. sus is dead. Oh, red sus. Red sus is dead, guys. Red sus is dead. It's white. Is Odana. Odana. Alright, I'm dead. Oh. Okay. That's cool. Alright, let's switch our color. Do I know red? I want red. Okay. Ah. I don't want to be a crewmate. I want to kill. Bye. Have a good day. Okay, never mind. Bye. Okay. I'm pretending I'm looking at cameras right now. So if anyone wants it, someone vented it. Someone vented there! Oh, I know someone did. I know someone vented there. Someone. Oh, really? Red sus? Wait, is that red sus? Red sus dead? Yeah, it's red sus. Alright. Where? Oh. Any sus? Any sus? No sus. No sus. Alright, I don't know who to really vote for. There's one imposter. And my mind is thinking on a death. Death dude. So skip. Yes, skip. Yes, skip. Someone voted death. That was not me. I'm just gonna say that was not me. No one was injected. Skipped. One imposter remains. Alright. Yeah. Wait, if I go down here. Alright, we got death there. Alright, hang on. Let's just go do the admin. I did it first try once, and I can do it first try again. Oh, I told you guys it was death! Oh my god, first time, dude! Alright, we got yellow in here doing his tasks. Except I'm dead. Death. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below and leave a like, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.